this is the safety fork. You see, you can put the sausage on here or even the bread on here. So it's very good for use when you are barbecuing. So the old product is like going to the front, but you know, it's very easy to hurt somebody, especially when the kids holding it. But if they making the way like this, so good. I like it. And you see they got little rubber, and here is the little bit sharp, but they removed the point, so it's not that too sharp at all. But it's good for sausage, bread, whatever you put it onto the fire. And actually this is super long. This is 1 meter long. You see the handle. The handle is made of wood. I think it can last for a long time. So next time I go to barbecue, I'm going to take this. The kids always like something onto the fire. And this is made in Taiwan, and the material is very strong. You see, it's not very easily to bend, and it can hold some weight on it. I like this product. Hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.